Hello guys, this is Uno once again signing in YouTube, and this is my actual demo of Alias Uno mas tutorial actual demo of Alias and Ghost mode dual BC using Y Supra. Okay, as you can see, I've opened my Y Supra and I'm open my B box. As you can see, I have a BC dual BC in the room using only one client, 00 SBC and 121 SBC. I'm using 00 SBC in my Supra and 121 in my box B5. Okay, the tutorial is open Y Supra, use any alias ID and join the room. That's the first one here. Okay, after that, the second stage is open box B5. Okay, open Y Supra, use alias ID and join the room. Okay, that's the first one. Note, you must wait 3 to 4 minutes before you go to room using your ghost mode. Okay, open Y Supra, use any alias ID and join the room. Now open box B5, click edit room entry packet. Now click ghost mode of Y Supra and join room, and it's done. Note, wait 3 to 4 minutes before you put the ghost ID in the room to prevent BC error. After you put in the first ID which you use in Y Supra to enter the room, you must wait for 3 to 4 minutes before you sign in your ghost mode ID in Y Supra in here. Okay, but before that, you must open your box B5 and click edit, and now click read room entry packet. Okay, this is very important. Once you join in the first alias ID in the room using your Y Supra, wait for 3 to 4 minutes before you sign in your ghost ID in the same room, and you must use box B5 for it to have a BC. Now you see I have a dual BC in the room using only one client, Y Supra, 121 SPC and 000 SPC, and it's done. This is Uno mas signing out in YouTube. This is an Uno mas original tutorial how to have a dual mode BC using alias and ghost mode of Y Supra or any client that does have a ghost mode. Okay, this is Uno mas signing out in YouTube. Bye guys.